Hey guys, welcome back to this quick guide. So in this quick guide, we're going to show you how to fix Brave keeps logging everything out. So step number one, check your browser settings. Go to Brave/settings, clear browser data. Then navigate to the on exit tab. Ensure that the cookies and other side data and other relative options are not enabled. After doing that, verify your profile. In most cases, your profile may not be verified. Go ahead and verify your profile. If you're using multiple profiles, make sure that you're using the correct profile where you are experiencing the logout issues. Okay, then step number three, adjust Brave Shield settings. Go to Brave Shield settings, check your settings for Google Sites, and then ensure you are not blocking all cookies. Only blocking cross sites cookies should be sufficient. Now, step number four, consider extensions. If you have many extensions, try disabling them temporarily and then try to load Brave. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. We shall meet